Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. This series includes only medium difficulty data problems. Today's challenge is to find confirmation rate. We have two tables, signups with the user ID and timestamp, and the confirmations table with the user ID, timestamp, and action. We're interested only in user ID and action. We need to write a solution to find the confirmation rate of each user. If we have the requirement for each user, this means we need to group by the user ID. The confirmation rate is the number of confirmed messages divided by the total number. To solve this in SQL, we need to ensure every user from the signups table is included, even if they have no records in the confirmations table. We can achieve this using a left join. We write a select statement. First, we write from signups table because we need all the users from the signups table, and we left join confirmations table. They have a common column called user ID. We need to find the confirmation rate per user. Therefore, we group by user ID. We need to display the user ID, and here we calculate the confirmation rate. We can get the confirmation rate by simply calculating the average of a conditional statement. Our conditional statement is case when action is confirmed, then it's 1, else it's 0. The average function, together with the conditional statement, calculates all ones in each user group and divides by total rows in each user group. We will wrap this in isNull function. IsNull ensures that users with no confirmation requests default to a rate of 0. And lastly, we round the result to 2 decimals. Now let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we can break this down into clear steps. First, we create a binary column where 1 is confirmed and 0 is timeout. We call this new column is confirmed. If action equals to confirmed, then we get true, which we will convert into integer. Boolean true is integer 1. Next, we group by user ID to find the average. This is similar to SQL alternative. We group by our dataset first and then apply the average function. Now we take our rates and rename the columns. We left the merge with the signups table to include users with no requests. We take only one column, user ID, and we join these two datasets on user ID column. We will call this our result. And the last thing we have to do is to fill missing rates with 0 and round to 2 decimal places. All the null values become 0 and the final result is rounded to 2 decimals. And we are ready to return the result. Let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Using average function and case when statement in SQL, or creating a binary column and using min function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.